Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about lipsticks that you can buy in this Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. So I'm going to be talking about everyday lipsticks and party wear lipsticks. Now in this video you will see brown lipsticks, pink lipsticks, glosses and red lipstick as well. You can choose as per your budget and as per the occasion, whatever you like. Okay, so without a further delay, let's get started. This is what my lips look like. तो सबसे पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं लॉरियल की लिपस्टिक्स की. आई हैव दिस वर्थ इट मीडियम एंड दिस वाज लाइक अ ग्लॉसी फिनिश जो नया आया था रिसेंटली. एंड वर्थ इट मीडियम शेड, आई लव इट फॉर फेयर एंड मीडियम स्किन टोन्स. लेट मी शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स. ये थोड़ी सी शाइनी ही रहती है. दिस इज नॉट लाइक देयर मैट लिपस्टिक्स. आई एम गोना शो यू कलर्स ऑफ दीज एज वेल. और इन तीनों का कंपैरिजन भी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. सबसे पहले आप ये लिपस्टिक देख लो. इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. Lazy Sunday I feel looks very beautiful on medium and deep skin tones. Fair skin tones pe it's gonna look little dark. If you like dark lipsticks, you can definitely go ahead. Otherwise, you can go ahead with the worth it range. Now these two are the matte lipsticks and liquid lipsticks from L'Oreal Paris. और ये जो मैंने लगाई थी, this is a glossy lipstick. I really love the feel of this lipstick, how it looks on my lips. Keep in mind when you apply it for some time in the starting, you will feel little bit of stickiness on the lips, but it's not gonna go anywhere. This is the glossy one, L'Oreal Paris Worth It Medium. Now this is L'Oreal Paris Worth It Lazy Sunday. $601 वर्थ इट ना मुझे लगता है फेयर स्किन टोन्स पे बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. और मीडियम स्किन टोन्स और डीपर स्किन टोन्स के लिए ये एक फिलिंग शेड हो सकता है. मीडियम पे तो फिर भी चल जाएगी, बट डीप के लिए तो डेफिनेटली ये एक फिलिंग शेड है. इसको आप एक डार्क ब्राउन लिप लाइनर के साथ लगाओगे तो ये काफी अच्छी लगेगी. Next is L'Oreal's Bullet Lipstick shade 630. Now 630 is an amazing shade for fair skin tones. Medium dark lip liner के साथ लगा सकते हैं, but otherwise next shade is for medium skin tone. And I really love this shade. Now इस lipstick के बारे में मैं आपसे कुछ बात करना चाहती हूँ. Once we see all the shades from this Bullet lipstick, I'm gonna tell you that. Okay? Shade 540. 540 is like a light medium shade for medium skin tones and it will act like a filling shade for fair, medium and deep all skin tones. 540 से ज़्यादा डार्क अगर आपको पसंद है ना, देखो मुझे ये शेड बहुत पसंद है. अगर मैं इसे बिना किसी लिप लाइनर के लगाऊं तो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. दिस इज 570. थोड़ा सा डार्क ब्राउन है. सबसे पहले मैंने आपको दिखाया 630, then 540, now this is 570. 570 मुझे इसलिए पसंद है क्योंकि ये मेरे कलर को अपलिफ्ट करता है. This is a beautiful shade for medium to deep skin tones. It will look absolutely amazing. Now, two things about this lipstick. इसे बंद करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है. You have to find this particular closing, then only ये लिपस्टिक बंद होती है. Second, जब गर्मियां हैं सो आई फील इसमें जो ज्यादा हाइड्रेटिंग वाली लिपस्टिक्स है ना, उनका थोड़ा ज्यादा बुरा हाल है. सो दे मेल्ट इन हीट. दिस इज द ओनली प्रॉब्लम दैट आई फेल्ट विद दीज. हाउएवर 630 के साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, बट 570 के साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. So I think this is gonna go a long way and I really like this color for medium to deep skin tones. Important point related to this lipstick, whenever you apply this lipstick, you blot it between the tissue and apply another layer, then you blot it between the tissue again. This lipstick becomes matte, very comfortable matte and it stays longer. These were all brown shades in L'Oreal. Now अगर आप पिंक फैशन शेड पसंद करते हो तो दिस इज 112. मैंने अपनी L'Oreal लिपस्टिक की जो डेडिकेटेड वीडियो बनाई थी उसमें भी लगा के दिखाया था and I got so many compliments on this color. This is absolutely beautiful lipstick for your party wear. Now this is a complete fashion lipstick, so if you're not into these kind of bright colors, you can definitely skip this one. But when you apply this and apply a little bit of this on your cheek as well, and it's gonna look so pretty on fair, medium to deep skin tones. Deepest skin tones पे ये as a blush भी पॉप करेगी. It will look really nice. So that was all about L'Oreal lipsticks. Now let's jump on to another brand. Now please don't mind about the application of these lipsticks because I have so many lipsticks to try out over here. So something goes here and there sometimes. I hope you understand that. Let's talk about Maybelline's lipsticks. I have some bullet lipsticks over here and one liquid lipstick. Let's start with the bullet lipstick. First is Maybelline Creamy Matte Range. इसमें से हम 2 शेड ट्राई करेंगे. Now I also want to talk about some lip liners, but सारे lip liner का swatch मैं आपको end में दिखा दूंगी. And over here I'm just gonna mention कौन सी lipstick जो है particularly मुझे किस lip liner के साथ अच्छी लगती है. So right now we are trying 657. This is a very famous lipstick and very affordable lipstick from Maybelline. Transferable lipstick ये एक bullet lipstick है तो इससे आपको टचअप करने पड़ेंगे बट फेयर स्किन टोन के लिए मुझे लगता है काफी अच्छी लिपस्टिक है. एवरीडे में इसे आप डेफिनेटली लगा सकते हो. इनफैक्ट अगर आप डार्क लिप लाइनर लगाओ तो आप इसे पार्टीज में भी लगा सकते हो. और इफ यू आर टू फेयर इट्स गोना लुक ब्यूटीफुल एज इज. दिस वाज 657 nude nuance and this is Divine Wine. Divine Wine is a beautiful maroon shade. It will suit all skin tones. Amazing for winter क्योंकि winter में हम थोड़े से ज़्यादा dark colors लगाना पसंद करते हैं. It's an uplifting, perfect maroon shade for Indian skin tones. Next are these 2 shades from Maybelline. These are the serum lipsticks that Maybelline has just launched. If you want to see full collection, I have made a dedicated video on all of these shades. Now first is 008. This shade looks like this. It's gonna look super amazing with the Maybelline Lifter Liner that I was just about to tell you later. This Let's Bounce. Amazing combination for fair, medium skin tones. In fact, for deeper skin tones as well, if they apply a little darker lip liner that I will show you in the end, you can pair it up with that one. This lipstick I feel needs little bit of pink or peach blush. That's when it pairs up beautifully with your blushes and with your entire makeup look. One of the favorite lip combo of makeup artists is MAC Burnt Spice lipstick and Whirl lip liner, and I think this lip combo competes with that lip combo. Blot a little bit of your pink blush on the top of it and it looks amazing. I did that on my birthday. 004, the one that Kiara Advani wore. This is shade Wild Card and it looks absolutely amazing. I think it's a great substitute of MAC Ruby Woo. Problem of closing it in a particular way is in this lipstick as well. This is Ruby Woo and this is Wild Card. Ruby Woo is more cooler than Wild Card. Wild Card is more warm and that's why I feel it's gonna look more flattering on all Indian skin tones. Now shade number 70, Amazonian, is makeup artist's favorite shade because it looks absolutely amazing with all the Indian makeup. Amazing on fair skin tones, but for medium and deeper skin tones I think you will need little bit of blush, little bit of makeup to make it look absolutely beautiful. Non-transferable long staying lipstick which doesn't feel sticky on the lips as well. So I think this is a vanity lipstick. You should definitely keep one when you are doing, smoky eyes or maybe any sort of makeup. It's gonna look super fantastic with sort of pink and peachy blush. That's it. This is your occasion wear lipstick, and for most fair people this can be your everyday lipstick as well. So these were all the shades that we tried from Maybelline. Next is Kiro's Cinnamon Sugar and this is a beautiful velvety matte lipstick. This I feel is a fantastic formula. It feels so lightweight, so airy, moussey on the lips. I think this shade will suit all skin tones. No stickiness, transfers a little bit, but very comfortable lipstick. I think you can wear it in your parties as well as in your everyday wear as well. I think I've bragged a lot about this lipstick. Oh, now I feel responsible. I feel अच्छी लगनी चाहिए आप पे भी जितनी ये मुझे अच्छी लगती है. अगर आप लो तो मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना कि ये उतनी अच्छी है या नहीं. Okay? Now let's talk about Nykaa's Chai. It's a bullet lipstick and it looks like this. Now Chai is a bullet lipstick but it's little matte, so it doesn't goes off so easily. However, you will still need little bit of touch-ups with it, and it's a beautiful color. I think it's gonna suit fair, medium to deep skin tones. if you have deeper skin tone, but if your lips are too pigmented, it's gonna look super beautiful. If your lips are a little more towards, lighter color, some deep tones have lighter lips as well. So if you have lighter lips, I would recommend pairing it up with a dark brown lip liner, and it will look fantastic. It's an affordable lipstick, and I think it stays a little longer than satin bullet lipsticks. So that is why it has an edge over other lipsticks. Now next are Mars Matte Muse lipsticks. I have two shades over here. First is for fair skin tone and second is for medium to deep skin tone. Now I'm just gonna show you the swatches and then I'll show you the application as well. These are velvety matte sort of lipsticks, again airy lipsticks. Now here I would like to mention Kiro's matte lipstick was more comfortable than these Mars lipstick, but the price point of these are more affordable than that one. So this is shade 03 and I feel shade 03 is more for medium to deep skin tones, whereas shade number 16 is for fair skin tones. Now sometimes when I feel this lipstick feels a little drying, I take Mars Lip Drip and I just apply it like a gloss on top of this lipstick. I'm just gonna show you how. Now this is what it looks like and I feel together they make such a beautiful combo and very glossy, very beautiful color. So I like to wear this lipstick this way. However, I'm gonna talk about this lip tint a little later in the video when I'll be talking about the lip glosses and lip oils and lip tints, okay? Looks gorgeous, right? Now next I'm gonna quickly talk about MAC's two shades which I feel looks amazing on all skin tones. First is Meher. You might have heard about this lipstick and it looks amazing on fair and medium skin tones. For deeper skin tones it works fantastically well as a filler shade and it looks so good. I really feel this is the shade for Indian skin tones. I really love this shade for everyday wear, for occasion wear. It doesn't make me look too much. Without makeup, I can just carry it everywhere. Since it is a bullet lipstick, you might need little bit of touch-ups when you eat food, something from middle, but it doesn't goes away too soon as well. I think if you want to start with one MAC lipstick, MAC Meher, or the next shade that I'm about to show you, MAC Velvet Teddy. These are the two shades that you can definitely start with in MAC. Obviously, everybody has Ruby Woo. If you want to invest in Ruby Woo, I've already shown you that shade. But if you are into nudes and pinks, nude that doesn't look that nude, pink that doesn't look that pink, I think these are very muted and beautiful colors. So if you are into your soft romantic era, buy these lipsticks and you're not gonna regret these. You can wear them as is or you can pair them with a dark brown or pink lip liner which is gonna amplify their beauty. And if you're into deeper skin tones, these will work as a filling shade with dark brown lip liner. Now if we talk about makeup artist's favorite, everybody's favorite comfortable formula, then it is going to be Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. This Pillow Talk is for fair skin tones and makes an amazing filling shade for Indian skin tones. But I like Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk medium for my skin tone and I feel that I don't have to do much of work to make it look so pretty. So if I am getting ready and doing a lot of makeup on myself, then I might use Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk OG. But if I don't want to do anything, I think Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium is the shade for myself. It's fantastic for everyday use and with makeups as well. So if you're about to get married, I would ask you to keep one of these in your vanity, okay? Now for my no makeup girlies, if you are a corporate employee and you don't like to do a lot of makeup or any makeup at all, definitely invest in Clinique's Black Honey. You can build it and it acts like a lip balm only. You can build this lipstick. If you apply more coats of it, it's gonna become more berrier sort of a shade, and if you apply less, it somehow looks like this. Now before I jump into lip gloss section, I want to talk about Benetint or Go-Go Tint. I am especially a fan of Go-Go Tint because it is little darker than Benetint and I feel it looks much better on my skin tone than Benetint. So I really like this shade, but you can go ahead with Benetint as well if you are fair skin tone. And this is something with which you don't have to do much at all. I like to apply it on my eyes, on my cheeks, on my lips, and I'm good to go. This is all-in-one sort of a product. If you have very dry skin, I would ask you to apply your moisturizer, your sunscreen, and then apply it. If you have oily skin, this is gonna stay. This is not gonna move. Now let's talk about the glosses. First, I'm gonna be talking about these e.l.f. glosses. I really like how thick they are, but glosses, as much as thick they are, they tend to irritate you if you have open hair. I don't know if you can see these two shades, and I really like how, glossy gloss they are, if that makes sense. I would say buy Chocolux if you are a fair skin tone person, but if you are a medium to deep skin tone, अगर जैसे हमें थोड़ा सा अपनी लिपस्टिक को कभी-कभी you need to give a little bit of brown color if you have applied pink lipstick or brown lipstick, then I feel Jam Session is the one for you. And I really like both of these. I don't see much of a difference. Jam Session, however, I feel looks more berrier and with hints of brown in it. Fay Beauty's lip glosses are amazing. I am not able to find other shades of this lip gloss on my table, but all three of these comes in a lip combo, and their shade names are Living, Giving, or something. There is one pink one, one brown, and one clear one. If possible, you can buy all three of them in a combo and you can enjoy them with whatever lip combo you like. I sometimes like to wear them as is as well. They are very beautiful, easy, squeezy bottle. Now last two are most affordable Toffee Twirl lip gloss. I just ordered it 2 days back. Looks like this. I really like the color. It's a very thin lip gloss, okay? So what happens with thin lip gloss is they tend to transfer a lot and go away very soon. But this one was affordable and it doesn't give very sticky feeling. So you can talk in this lip gloss, I would say. So if you're looking for a lip gloss, you can go for the affordable one, because देखो, lip gloss is something जिसने निकल तो जाना ही है. So it doesn't really matter that much. You can wear this color with or without lipstick, and it looks absolutely amazing. My lips look very juicy and fantastic. Now the last stain from Mars. I've already shown you this over the lipstick, but I'm still gonna show you. And it's gonna stay like this. The gloss will go away, but the tint remains. And that's what I like about this Mars Lip Drip. And this shade particularly, it's gonna look fantastic on fair, medium, and deep skin tones. This is a brown color lip tint. And that's it. This was all about the lipsticks, the lip oils I wanted to talk about. Now I have hundreds and hundreds of lipstick lying on my table, and I have already made videos of that. You will find this video also again in that collection only. There's a lipstick haul collection on my YouTube channel. You can go there. You can check out proper hauls of particular brands and all the nude lipsticks and reds and pink lipsticks that I have tried. I've talked about them in detail. This was all for the day. If you want to know why you have the foundation shade of your skin tone only and still it is oxidizing, I have made a detailed video on that in a very beginner friendly way. So you can go check that video, and I shall see you in next video, which is about NARS base range. And if you don't know me, I'm Neha Devkan, and I give you no BS and unsponsored reviews about all of the products. So if you want to know about NARS base range, I shall see you in my next video. Till then, I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Bye!